Thanksgiving Day parade, and for the 31st time in her career, director Laura Davis brings her 600 Spirit of America dance stars to New York City. All but 5 of these dance stars are women, but all of them represent school dance teams and dance studios from all around the country. Their upbeat medley is titled Party on 34th Street. It's choreographed by Afton Fox and Jennifer Baker.
A celebration that lasts throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on. We gon' celebrate and have a good time.
These kids have just had a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you know they're thankful for.